This guide will show you everything you need to do to backtest a strategy on TradingView. Hello and welcome, my name is Jacob, this is TradeHappy, a platform for traders around the world to be happy and consistently profitable. Remember guys, if you are new here, hit the subscribe button, it really does help out, and hit the like button. But let's just get into the video. So today I'm going to be backtesting a strategy that I'm currently testing, and I thought it'd be good to just show the process of that, going through that really quickly, give you my Google spreadsheet, like the Excel document, so that you can carry on and do your own backtesting after the video. So if you do want that, that's linked in the description. Be sure to go and check that out because I found it really useful. So there's a few ways of backtesting on TradingView. The first is for anyone that doesn't have a paid account. So if you have a free account on TradingView, just go to the daily chart, which is what I'm on right now, and click on the replay button, which is right here. And once you click on the replay button, you'll get this red line. So you'll be able to just click, and then the market will automatically just go to that point, and whatever strategy you're using, you can then do it from this point, and you can choose the speed, so update every 3 seconds, update every 2 seconds. If I just hit play, we can just watch this a little bit, and every few seconds the market will update as it did, not exactly obviously, but as it did when the markets are actually moving. So you can go forwards on things, you can also do real time and go back to where you were and then go back and test another thing. And then this button lets you jump between different points if you want to test it on a different area of the market. But as I said, you need a free account to do this. Now if you want to do it on a lower time frame, you're not going to be able to do that because you need the paid account. And my strategy that I'm using, that I'm testing at the moment, is on a 15-minute chart. Now I can't do that because I don't have a paid account. So what I'm going to do is show you how I'm backtesting on TradingView without a paid account. Now it does require more discipline with your strategy, because you have to be sure about the trades that you're going to take. Now you have to be 100% that you would take it, and if you're a little bit on the fence, just put it as a loser, or don't take that trade at all, because otherwise what's the point in getting the results at the end, because they're just going to be worthless. Remember that if you are going to follow along with this, I've linked down below the spreadsheet that you can get. Now what I'm going to do right now is mute my mic, turn the music up a little bit, and just do some backtesting. I'm going to show you the process that I go through, and if you do want to follow along, you can. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you do, remember to subscribe and hit the like button. And I'm not going to be going through this strategy because I don't know if it's profitable or not, and I don't want to give you a strategy that might not be profitable. So yeah, let's get into the video. So as you can see from the backtesting, we had 23 losing trades, 6 winners, and a total of 1% profit after all of that. It is only 31 trades, but we took 31 trades that dated back to the 1st of April. So it's not particularly good. I mean, obviously I'm going to be doing adjustments, and I will be changing things and tweaking things and just testing to see if I can get a better result. But if I don't get a better result, then ditch it and move on to the next strategy. That's all you can do really. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.